Buildings face a new revenue risk with upcoming 5G cell and internet installations. This is Roy Bennett, President of Antenna Management Corp. You may have heard about 5G. Perhaps you have a new 5G phone. 5G can offer new revenue for building owners and new risks if owners lose control of 5G in their buildings. There are 3 5G frequency bands, but only the 5G millimeter band is faster. This band has not been auctioned by the CRTC. Today, 5G phones still operate at slow 4G speeds. Why is 5G so critical now? One word: video. It is overwhelming the internet and cell phones. YouTube alone adds 720,000 hours of video every day. One video uses the same bandwidth as 1,200 phone calls. 4G and Wi-Fi doesn't have enough capacity to meet current growing needs. And 8K video is arriving. Perhaps you've noticed the slowdowns and waits for video. Only 5G millimeter band is capable of delivering the volume of services across all devices. Why is 5G so critical? It has 1,000 times the capacity of current 4G and 100 times the speed. This means very, very low latency times. And most importantly, the 5G frequencies are currently available. Fast 5G will replace all devices. Homes currently average 20 smart devices. In 3 years, expect 50. Even light bulbs are becoming smart. And all new software is being written to use the 5G speeds. But there's a big 5G problem inside buildings. Fast millimeter 5G is absorbed by walls and glass. The signals don't get through. Imagine residents unable to get 5G speeds indoors as it becomes available. Modern lifestyles with remote work demands 5G speeds. Whose problem is this? The cell provider, the owner, or both? Waiting may take years. Will residents wait to get 5G if it's available elsewhere? We believe that residents will move as soon as possible. The only solution for 5G indoors is every room needs a 5G antenna. Will carriers have the time and resources to do this promptly across Canada? We don't believe so. Every building will go on a wait list, and the log jams will quickly develop. We believe proactive owners can turn this to their advantage. Some immediate questions come up. Whose problem is it? How does one start the process? Who is going to pay for it? And can owners share the 5G revenue from their buildings? Carriers are promoting fiber access agreements with building owners to control future 5G in buildings. Let's review their typical terms. First, fiber access can effectively control all future telco services in the building, in essence creating a monopoly on all internet and cell services. Exclusive inside marketing for 5G phone and internet services for all residents. Keeping all future revenue. And operating in perpetuity. Owners deserve multiple service providers in their buildings. Control of building and fiber access. A share of future 5G revenues. And annual renewal terms on the owner's approval. Antenna Management is an independent advisor for building owners across Canada for 11 years. We never represent cell carriers. Owners need independent information to make decisions. Every property owner and every property has unique needs. Antenna Management Corporation is ready. Contact us to explore your needs. Thank you for your consideration. We hope you were informed and invite your questions. This is Roy Bennett.